that these things are ceased.
The United Democratic Party in Nongstoin constituency on January 27th began its first election campaign from Marngor area on the West Kars Hills district. Hundreds of people from the area attended the program held at Marngor village. UDP MLA candidate Polestar Nongstoin, Moxlandar Marngor, President UDP-Nongstoin Circle and President UDP Youth Wing, West Kars Hills LG Nongstoin among other leaders and members of UDP Marngor and Lakse zone attended the campaign program. While addressing the program, Polestar Nongstoin highlighted the transportation problem prevalent in the area and expressed concern over the plight of residents who have to walk for hours due to absence of proper roads. LG Nongstoin, ex-MDC from Nongstoin, said there is an urgent need for regional party to form the new government.
Kakubor kapasutanat ng UDP yung kumni lada kamautar resan kawan UDP tat nangni Nongstoin kawan UDP kanum banginnya penting ya kita diblok kipade kumapi kinasang-sang nangni pikwa wanwanra na sani tinadon menta ngaw yapi yawelang yaki lok pijor kibayin wasan kibahap hangi kipala sarana kiblok satay ban pensno ya kaniga kubor kababha